The difference between what the average person pays in taxes and what a wealthy person pays isn't illegal. It's not even unethical. It's just knowledge. And today, I'm sharing that knowledge for free. Tax strategy isn't about cheating the system. It's about understanding the rules well enough to use them as intended. The tax code rewards specific behaviors: investing, job creation, home ownership. If you're not taking advantage of these incentives, you're leaving money on the table. Strategy 1: Maximize tax-advantaged accounts. Before you invest a single dollar in a taxable brokerage, make sure you've maxed your 401k match, your IRA, and your HSA if eligible. These accounts save you 22 to 37 cents on every dollar depending on your bracket. That's an instant, guaranteed return you can't get anywhere else. Strategy 2: Understand the difference between income types. Earned income is taxed the highest. Long-term capital gains are taxed the lowest. Every dollar you can shift from earned income to capital gains saves you 15 to 20%. This is why investors pay lower rates than employees, and it's available to anyone with a brokerage account and patience. Strategy 3: Think in tax years, not calendar years. The best tax moves happen in November and December, not April. Accelerate deductions into high-income years. Defer income into low-income years. Harvest losses to offset gains. These are the same strategies wealthy families use, they're just not advertised. Your homework: pull up last year's tax return and identify one deduction you missed. For most people, that's the home office deduction, the HSA contribution, or a retirement account top-up. One missed deduction could save you $500 to $5,000. Subscribe for more tax strategies.